Homex Mug Warmer, multi-purpose heating pad for desktop heated coffee and tea or candle and wax warmer, copper finish. Keep mugs, plates, and beverages warm. This mug warmer sports a heated plate that keeps mugs and beverages warm. Keep your coffee, tea, soup, or cocoa warm from the first sip to the last. This copper finish mug warmer is designed to heat everything from coffee to candles. Use at home or in the office for the perfect sip. Keep your morning coffee hot at your desk while you work, or keep a cup of hot tea steamy while you relax on the couch. Never worry again about your hot beverage going cold. A great gift for any coffee or tea lover. Sturdy design is built to last, made of sturdy plastic with a smooth shiny copper finish and black heating surface. The padded feet at the bottom help support your mug and prevent spills. Easy to use. Simply plug it in and turn the on-off switch on cord. The bright on light will let you know your mug warmer is working. Perfect for ceramic or glass mugs, features a sleek, low-profile design made from durable lightweight components with a 3.5 diameter heating surface at the center. For use with ceramic or glass mugs only. About Homex. Homex offers a vast collection of products perfect for the home or office. Whether you're looking for gadgets to simplify cleaning, cooking, or hosting, dinnerware or serving options for get-togethers and parties, or just a decorative touch for the bedroom, bathroom, living room, break room, or kitchen, Homex has something you'll love. Homex is a registered trademark of Simply Home Solutions. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.